Hi, and welcome back to your English training. In this video, you will speak English at the airport. You will practice simple and important sentences you really need at the airport. The sentences are short, clear, and practical. I will say each sentence slowly and clearly. Then I will say it one more time. After that, you pause for a moment and repeat out loud. This way you feel safer and can communicate better at the airport. Listen closely and speak with me. Are you ready? Today I'm flying to New York. Today I'm flying to New York. I get up and say, I'm excited. I get up and say, I'm excited. I'm a bit nervous. I'm a bit nervous. I pack my suitcase. I pack my suitcase. I take my passport with me. I take my passport with me. I take the bus to the airport. I take the bus to the airport. The airport is full of people. The airport is full of people. I go to the check-in counter. I go to the check-in counter. I ask, which terminal does the flight leave from? I ask, which terminal does the flight leave from? I ask, at what time is the boarding? I ask, at what time is the boarding? I look at the information board. I look at the information board. The flight leaves from Terminal 1. The flight leaves from Terminal 1. Boarding starts at 10 a.m. Boarding starts at 10 a.m. I still have some time. I still have some time. I say, here is my passport. I say, here is my passport. I have a suitcase with me. I have a suitcase with me. I put my suitcase on the scale. I put my suitcase on the scale. The clerk says, the suitcase is too heavy. The clerk says, the suitcase is too heavy. I have to pay extra. I have to pay extra. I pay a fee for the suitcase. I pay a fee for the suitcase. I say, okay, no problem. I say, okay, no problem. I get my boarding pass. I get my boarding pass. Now I go to the security check. Now I go to the security check. I take off my jacket. I take off my jacket. I put my phone in the bin. I put my phone in the bin. The security officer talks to me. The security officer talks to me. He asks, "Do you have drugs with you?" He asks, "Do you have drugs with you?" I say, "No, I don't have drugs with me." I say, "No, I don't have drugs with me." I'm nervous because I don't want any problems. I'm nervous because I don't want any problems. He asks, "Do you have any prohibited items?" He asks, "Do you have any prohibited items?" I say, "No, I don't have any prohibited items." I say, "No, I don't have any prohibited items." He looks briefly into my suitcase. He looks briefly into my suitcase. He says, "Everything is fine." He says, "Everything is fine." I put my jacket back on. I put my jacket back on. I take my phone back. I take my phone back. Now I'm in the duty-free area. Now I'm in the duty-free area. I look at the stores. I look at the stores. There is perfume, chocolate, and souvenirs. There is perfume, chocolate, and souvenirs. The perfume is cheap. The perfume is cheap. I decide to buy the perfume. I decide to buy the perfume. I go to the checkout. I go to the checkout. The cashier says, "Hello." The cashier says, "Hello." She says, "Would you like to pay by card or cash?" She says, "Would you like to pay by card or cash?" I say, "I want to pay by card." I say, "I want to pay by card." I tap my card on the machine. I tap my card on the machine. I'm happy because I have a new perfume. I'm happy because I have a new perfume. I walk slowly to the gate. I walk slowly to the gate. I check my boarding pass again. I check my boarding pass again. I need to hurry a bit, so I walk fast. I need to hurry a bit, so I walk fast. Many people are waiting at the gate. Many people are waiting at the gate. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. My seat is row 18, seat A. My seat is row 18, seat A. Boarding begins. Boarding begins. I hand in my boarding pass. I hand in my boarding pass. The agent says, "Have a good flight." The agent says, "Have a good flight." I'm ready for the flight to New York. I'm ready for the flight to New York. I go through the gate. I go through the gate. I board the plane. I board the plane. I look for my seat. I look for my seat. I look at my seat number. I look at my seat number. My seat is by the window. My seat is by the window. I say, "Excuse me, that's my seat." I say, "Excuse me, that's my seat." I put my backpack under the seat. I put my backpack under the seat. I fasten my seatbelt. I fasten my seatbelt. The plane is almost full. The plane is almost full. People stow their carry-on bags. People stow their carry-on bags. I turn off my phone. I turn off my phone. I hear the doors being closed. I hear the doors being closed. I hear the flight attendant's voice from the speaker. I hear the flight attendant's voice over the speaker. I listen to the safety rules. I listen to the safety rules. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I feel the plane start to roll slowly. I feel the plane start to roll slowly. I feel a slight flutter in my stomach. I feel a slight flutter in my stomach. I quietly say to myself, "Here we go." I quietly say to myself, "Here we go." I feel the plane getting faster. I feel the plane getting faster. I breathe in and out deeply. I breathe in and out deeply. I think my flight to New York has started. I think my flight to New York has started. The flight attendant comes to me. The flight attendant comes to me. She asks, "Would you like something to drink?" She asks, "Would you like something to drink?" I say, "Yes, a coffee, please." I say, "Yes, a coffee, please." I pay by card and drink my coffee. I pay by card and drink my coffee. I'm looking forward to my time in New York. I'm looking forward to my time in New York. I'm more relaxed now. I'm more relaxed now. I say to myself, this will be a nice trip. I say to myself, this will be a nice trip. I watch a movie and fall asleep. I watch a movie and fall asleep. I wake up during landing. I wake up during landing. I stand up and take my backpack. I stand up and take my backpack. I leave the plane. I leave the plane. I'm now in New York. I'm now in New York. I follow the signs to passport control. I follow the signs to passport control. I stand in line. I stand in line. The officer says, "Welcome to New York." The officer says, "Welcome to New York." My girlfriend is waiting for me. My girlfriend is waiting for me. I see her at the exit. I see her at the exit. We hug. We hug. I say, "Good to see you." I say, "Good to see you." I feel happy and relaxed. I feel happy and relaxed. We go outside together. We go outside together. We take a taxi. We take a taxi. I tell the driver the hotel. I tell the driver the hotel. My trip to New York has started. My trip to New York has started. Great job! Today, you learned how to talk about a trip and the airport in English. You practiced important sentences for check-in, security, and the flight. Now you feel safer and more comfortable at the airport. You train English for real situations. If you liked the video, give it a like. Write a comment and tell which sentence helped you. Subscribe to the channel so we can keep learning English together. Practice the sentences again. Thanks for joining, and see you in the next video.